You see all process steps on your screen. It tells you to scan the barcode of the booth. In the background, the system checks that all equipment was cleaned after the last batch and documents the usage. The MES always records date and time of action and logs personnel through electronic signature or biometric authentication. Wareham POS X MES checks the room air pressure against a predefined range. The MES detects errors and prevents further production until issues are handled. It verifies that the material belongs to the batch, has sufficient quantity, and the correct QA status. Now you can continue to scan the target container and weigh the bill of material items with direct connection to the scale. Wareham POS X MES checks that the container and scale are correct and cleaned.